Experts.com is an online marketing platform that connects attorneys to expert witnesses and business consultants for non-litigation matters. Depending on the nature of your case, you can choose between the two on the left side of the search bar. This tutorial will focus on finding expert witnesses. Experts.com offers two ways to search for your next expert. Option 1 is through keyword search, which allows you to enter any search term to find an expert, such as name, location, and expertise. For example, if you are looking for an engineering expert, 145 search results will appear. As you scroll through the web page, you'll find that the expert's contact information is available 24/7, so you can connect with them directly. If you wish to refine your search, enter the relevant information into our advanced search section. This allows you to narrow down your strongest matches so you can find the right fit for your case. Option 2 is through the category search, an expansive list providing experts in over 1,400 areas of expertise. You can browse our alphabetized list or enter your chosen category in the search bar. When searching for a finance expert, 8 category results will appear, showcasing the different types of finance experts to choose from. For instance, when the general finance/financing category is clicked, 33 expert witness profiles will appear. We hope this short tutorial has helped you learn how to properly navigate our site in a more efficient way. If you have any questions, please call us or email support@experts.com. Thank you for your time.